Yep. Oh, sorry.
No, that's alright, go ahead.
You see like the bright light back there?
Incredible.
Wow.
Still see it?
Yep, it's in the camera. Look how fast that's going, man. Look how fast.
Are you getting it on video?
Yep.
Yeah, folks, space shuttle's going off the right side of the aircraft right now. Those of you on the right side of the aircraft, you can see the space shuttle.
Wow.
If you're on the left side of the aircraft, you can probably see people on the right side of the aircraft looking at the space shuttle.
Plane's gonna tip over. Everybody's leaning on the right side. That is remarkable. I've never. I would actually set at the VIP section and watch it launch.
Yeah.
But I've never seen it from the air.
Yeah. That's incredible.
Come on, they're right, buddy. That's great.
Can you still see okay?
Yep. Thank you. Faster than us.
Now listen, we don't want to have anybody complain because we were late. See, y'all got to see that. Then you can complain because we were late. Got it? All right. Drinks are on the house, too.
Yeah, pan over real quick so I can get a full shot of the ground and everything. I know. Alright, well, I think that's good.